Okay, we're on Don Outdoor Adventures up in the tree stand now. I've got all my corn set up down there, and everything looks good just like last year. Tree stand is still solid. As you can see, I'm up here. Not too high, but pretty high. Like I said, I got my feeder set up over there on that far tree, and the corn where those dirt piles are scratched, that air is scratched out of snow. I put some corn there, and over there on that far tree is my feeder. So we're gonna, I don't know, I'm still undecided if I want to come here or just go over there and try to sit in my blind and try to get that big buck that I seen on camera. This area is gonna take probably a day or two before they start coming in here feeding. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and sit in the blind over there on that other property because it's kind of cold up here. So I don't want to sit up here with a bow. If I come out here, I want to get something with a rifle and drop it quick where I ain't got to track it all day. So I'm gonna get down from here and get back to the house and hopefully make me something hot. I said hot cocoa, but I don't care for cocoa that much. I might make me something. It's about lunchtime. I got some chicken. Make some chicken wings and get my dinner for the night. But I noticed over there in front of me that other field has got its beans in, and that could be a bonus for me as far as they'll feel comfortable with some cover. So hopefully we'll get us a big buck or a big healthy mature doe on rifle season. All right, we'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures. Deer hunting in Kansas. All right, we'll see you.